Hello everyone, good morning. So in our last lecture we have studied about the difference between the primary and the secondary cell wall. So today's topic is tertiary cell wall and middle lamella. Now the things which are present on your screen, 3D pictures, we have studied about them in our previous videos. So now we are going to start our today's topic, that is the tertiary cell wall and middle lamella. Let's start tertiary cell wall. Tertiary cell wall, let me clear it first that tertiary cell wall is not present in all plants. It is present in some specific plants and also in some specific cells. So let's start. Our first point is this layer is xylene rich. It means the tertiary cell wall is rich in xylene and deposited inner to the secondary cell wall of some plant cells. It means that it is formed by the deposition of extra materials on the secondary cell wall. Next point is generally they are present tracheids of gymnosperms. It means that tertiary cell wall is present in gymnosperms. I hope that you know about the gymnosperms. Gymnosperms comes before to the angiosperms in plant kingdom. So next point is these are found in coniferous woods. Now what are these coniferous wood? To know about the coniferous wood we have to know about the coniferous plants. And now what are the coniferous plants? Listen, if you are on a trip in hilly areas like Jammu Kashmir or Himalayas, then you will see there that there are tall trees present there, and these tall trees are having long branches from their base, and at their tip there are small branches and they form a cone-like structure. That's why they are called as the coniferous plant and their wood are called as the coniferous wood. So tertiary cell wall is present in the coniferous woods. Our next topic is middle lamella. Middle lamella is present in between cell wall of two adjacent cells. It means that middle lamella is present between the two cells and help in the connection between the two cells. Our next point is this layer unites two cells together. Middle lamella help in the joining two cells together. Our next point is it is made up of calcium pectate, so it can be dissolved by pectinase enzyme. In this point, it is clear that middle lamella is formed by calcium pectate, and pectinase enzyme can dissolve it. So in next point we comes to know that all cells united by middle lamella can be separated by its degradation. As we know that all the cells are united by the calcium pectate. If we use pectinase enzyme, then calcium pectate get dissolved and all the cells get disconnected. Our next point is middle lamella and other cells are having pores. Now what is the use of these pores? These pores are helpful in transfer of cytoplasm from one cell to the another cell via cytoplasmic threads. Now what are these cytoplasmic threads? These cytoplasmic threads are called as the plasmodesmata. They may be of different shapes and size. These plasmodesmata may be of different shapes and size. Now on your base of screen there are some 2D structures. In these structures you will come to know that primary cell wall is present, middle lamella is present, tertiary cell wall is present, and secondary cell wall is present, and in between the cell wall there is a lumen is present. So let me mark for you that what is the use of this cell. You will come to know that this one is a one cell, this is a middle lamella, this is primary cell, this is secondary cell, and this is tertiary cell. Now the cytoplasm transfer from this cell to this cell by the help of this middle lamella, and this cell to this cell, also this cell to this cell, this cell to this cell, and this cell to this cell also, and this cell to this cell. So in this way this middle lamella helps in transfer of the cytoplasm from one cell to another cell. Now a 3D structure of plasmodesmata present on your screen. It is showing that cytoplasm is present in one cell, it get transferred in the another cell. let me clear for you that now see that this one is one cell, and the cytoplasm of this cell is transferring through this plasmodesmata to this cell. This is a second cell. Okay, so I hope that you understand all the things clearly. So it's enough for today. We will see all the things next topic in our next videos. So bye bye for today.